Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, it's visit photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. In the description. Please check link in the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking this property, contact us by commenting. If you have already purchased this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are interested in subscribe to our channel of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.